Hello, and welcome to a 108.6 Radio News Special Scientific Update. I'm Flynn James, reporting from the Media Center at the Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. A sounding rocket has just returned from its flight, and scientists have made a huge discovery. They've discovered a new species of bacteria from the far reaches of our atmosphere, and, potentially from beyond. At the moment, the origin of this species is unknown, but it seems like it's harmless to humans. Regardless, everyone's using PPE at the moment. Stay safe, and this is Flynn James with 108.6 Radio News. Now, back to Falls Church.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arlington Police Department. At 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large pileup occurred on Interstate 66 in Arlington. This pileup involved 17 cars and has led to at least 16 deaths. Please use alternate routes if you are traveling on Interstate 66. Search and rescue teams are currently looking for potential injuries, and the interstate is expected to be blocked until 2 p.m. The cause of this incident is unknown, however it appears that the incident was likely caused by negligent driving. If you are driving, please use caution and avoid Interstate 66. Thank you. Following message is transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. A viral outbreak of unknown severity is spreading throughout northern Virginia. This virus, named Sinoculus, is causing nearsightedness in those infected. This is likely the reason behind the massive pileup in Arlington earlier today. Sinoculus is believed to be spread through bodily fluids, such as saliva, urine, and other fluids. It is likely spread through coughs, sneezes, and other interpersonal interactions. Please use extensive caution when leaving the house, and wear a face covering when around other people. Sinoculus is highly dangerous, and may lead to accidents or injury. Thank you.
Hello, this is Jim Franklin, live with 108.6 Radio News. Unfortunately, Flynn isn't feeling well, so I'm doing today's broadcasts. The Sinoculus outbreak is getting worse by the day, and there has been a confirmed case of it in Vancouver, British Columbia. President Forrester is considering a national lockdown to prevent the spread of this virus. Again. Sorry you have to go through that again, but at least you won't go blind. In Vienna, Virginia, there has been a minor outbreak of 7 cases, and research is underway to find a cure or vaccine. Things are very strange these days, but we must persevere. We hope that you are safe, And, oh God, I can barely see anything. We're gonna have to take a short break.
Hello, my name is Flynn James, and welcome to a 108.6 radio news special report. The virus that has been spreading throughout America, Syphilis, has spread south to Mexico. According to the CDC, Syphilis is now a pandemic. The origin of Syphilis remains unknown. The symptoms remain the same. Please, remain careful, wear a mask, and try to avoid contact with other people outside of your family. Unfortunately, my co-anchor and friend Jim Franklin has contracted Syphilis, and as such has retired from journalism. Please, remain calm, and please be careful. Syphilis is likely going to spread throughout both America and Mexico, so please remain vigilant, and keep your eyes open. Stay safe, everyone. This is Flynn James with 108.6 Radio News signing off.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important information will follow. This is a national emergency message requested by the White House. Over the past 6 days, Syphilis has spread quickly throughout the world. An estimated 4 billion people have been infected, and roughly 2 billion have reached stage 3. Surviving scientists are coordinating to find a potential cure, and martial law has been declared. Anyone outside after 6 p.m. will be arrested, and use of lethal force is authorized. If you have to leave the house, cover your face with an N95 face mask or something stronger. Compliance with this ordinance is mandatory. At this moment, the death count in the United States is estimated to be 4 million, and the total infected is around 146 million. There is still no cure. Remain in your home unless absolutely necessary. Following.
No one intervened on behalf of...
Hello, my name is Flynn James, here with a special report from 108.6 Radio News. Unfortunately, we must start off with some sad news. My co-anchor Jim Franklin has contracted Syphilis, as has my husband Michael. Regardless, we must persevere, and I am here to deliver facts during these turbulent times. TV signals remain down following the currently unexplained broadcast intrusion. It is currently believed that the intrusion was caused either by a conspiracy theorist or pranksters. However, it seems to be directed at people who still have their eyesight. Following this, all TV signals have gone down, presumably as a result of this intrusion. Still, cases of the virus continue to rise, so keep wearing that mask. I know it's hard to keep going these days, but the world scientists are trying their hardest, and we will survive. Thank you. This is Flynn James, signing off for tonight.